In this tutorial, I'm going to give you a site demo of emails and surveys, the best marketing tool for your business and nonprofit. Let's start with what you get for free. Emails and Surveys gives you a full-featured CRM to manage your contacts. Let's go to My CRM, Client Contact. Here you can create and upload new contacts, and you will see the various integrations we support. You can load these into different groups and segment them according to any field in our CRM. Now, let's take a look at an individual contact. You can see any custom fields and tags associated with a customer. You can also see the history of communication with this contact. We give you several different options for how you can communicate with your customers. You can start an SMS chat, start a Zoom conference, take and receive phone calls, and send an SMS poll. We are heavily investing in our CRM, and soon customers will have the ability to create sales stages and rules on when to associate a customer with a group or sales stage. Please feel free to reach out and tell us what else you would like to see. Next, let's take a look at the calendar functionality. Our goal is to enable businesses and nonprofits to grow. We want this to be an easy decision for new businesses to use emails and surveys for their marketing platform, so we have included a marketing calendar and built-in Calendarly functionality. Here, you can sync your Google or Office 365 calendar and create events when an email or SMS follow-up is required. We also publish your calendar online, so new customers can book meetings right in your calendar. This is a great option to put at the end of an email or SMS sales funnel you can create in emails and surveys. The next feature that emails and surveys provides your business is free social media posting. Social media posting is very important to your business. Most posts get listed, which helps your SEO. Any communication you send out via email or SMS also send out on your social media channels. Emails and Surveys is committed to your success and why we are here to help you get started and grow your business, book more sales meetings, and establish your social media presence, all at no charge. When you are ready to start campaigning, we have flexible payment models, including a true pay-as-you-go model with no monthly commitments, with the costs at a penny per email and 3 per SMS. If you have a monthly subscription for email, SMS, surveys, forms, or calendar functionality, save your money and move to emails and surveys, where you will get a better return on investment for your business. Now, let's go take a look at our best-in-class email editor. For any content creation, go to my desktop, and here you will see publishing tools for emails, SMS, forms, surveys, and assessments. All use the same editor. We have several pre-built simple templates for you, or you can have us create one for you. For more information, please see the Build It For Me video on our YouTube channel. Our email editor has a built-in image editor for pixel-perfect responsive email templates that render correctly for web and Outlook clients. We offer a built-in spam check that checks your subject line and words that could trigger spam. And lastly, our email gets sent in the defined language of your contacts. You will not find another email vendor that offers these advanced features. If you prefer to send via SMS, we provide a phone emulator for you to send an SMS, as well as a generic SMS inbox. The SMS inbox is handy because it is common to get a 10% reply rate when sending SMS, and this makes it easier to reply to your different contacts. What happens when you want to collect information from your customers? Emails and Surveys provides full-service forms, landing pages, and surveys. Let's go take a look at how to create a form. You can create forms in your brand, and we have many different form inputs you can simply drag and drop onto your page. Open-ended, single answer, multi-answer, ranking, and some survey controls. At Emails and Surveys, forms can be surveys and surveys can be forms. You can also set different effects for the questions that have transitions in PowerPoint where they can fly in or read like a newspaper. Have fun with it. An engaged user will tell you more. Surveys are very similar and can be one-page or multi-page. Questions can call forms if there is a specific answer you want to collect more information. There is also skip logic where you can visually see the logic for how a survey should flow. Our reports have configurable graphs and charts with filtering and drill down, so one survey can report on a company, organization and manager, or a club, age group, team, and coach. There is no reason to go to SurveyMonkey with Emails and Surveys. Oh, one more benefit: they are free with a monthly email subscription. Now that you have seen, we provide with best-of-breed solutions, let's go take a look at our omni-channel automation, where you can build workflows that deliver real business results to you. Let's start by taking a look at our SMS and email templates, as you will be sourcing these in your workflows. I have created a SMS template called My Calendar that sends the URL to put an event in my calendar when it is time to talk with a lead or customer. This is a great option to end a workflow. Here you see I have created 4 workflows. My first workflow is a conditional workflow that will send a text if customer has not responded. I have also built a workflow based on the words in a text from a customer. I will send another text as if we are chatting. You may want to update your CRM or send a survey to someone's phone before you close out the survey. If we look at new sales order workflow, you will see condition and time-based events in a typical sales journey for a contact. And lastly, we provide you with an interactive dashboard that will track the progress of your communication with all your customers. At Emails and Surveys, we have built the most complete marketing automation software available in the market today. Our goal is to make you successful. If you are successful, we will be successful. For more instructional videos, you can refer to the Emails and Surveys YouTube channel for more information.